Hey everyone, it's Deb at Dahlia Designs. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. And thank you to all those who have newly subscribed. I truly appreciate it. I am trying to get to 1,000 so that I can do live streams with you. But in the meantime, I'll keep bringing you videos of unveilings, unboxings, and finished jewelry pieces, and occasional tutorials or bead with me on what's on my table. Anyway, I got I don't know why I got a welcome card, because I've been getting the box for several months now, but I got my bead box. Now this is just the best bead box. I had been getting the best bead box XL, or whatever the next one up is. Let's see if it says on here. No. Anyway, that had 2 projects plus more extras. I'm not even getting to get these done, so until I get to the point where I'm caught up on stuff and I am able to get these done, I'm not gonna spend the extra money on the XL. So if you want to see what the extras are, you'll have to watch Potomac Beads or someone else who gets that. So here we are. In this kit you get 1 free pattern and the beads to make it. It's called Orange Blossom. Ooh, it's kind of pretty, isn't it? Orange Blossom necklace. It's like oranges and blossoms. It has beads around them, and there's beads around these as well. Different. The designer is Anna Taylor at Potomac Beads. She does YouTube videos to show off the boxes, usually her and another girl whose name I can't remember. So let me see. It tells you, it gives you a little story. It says, a warm spring breeze, the sweet smell of blossoming flowers and ripening citrus. Not in this area, let me tell you. Soft white petals brushing against smooth oranges and lush tender greens of newly sprouted leaves. That we have. Celebrate new and renewed life in this month's Orange Blossom subscription box. And you can share your designs on Instagram and Facebook with hashtag #BestBeadBox. I don't think they have like a competition, it's just to share. So that looks like it would be this one. And then those are the extras. So let's see what we got in here. They give you the pattern, and they give you beads for your stash. Okay. So in the pattern, you get 3.4 millimeter Miyuki drops, and these are tiny little, I don't know if you're going to be able to see them real well, but they have holes top drilled so that they are little tiny drops. Oh, they're so cute. They're cutie. Miyuki drops. And then Miyuki seed beads in 11-aught. And these are galvanized apricot or apricot, however you say it. And they definitely have an apricot, almost like a copper, but they're lighter than copper. So definitely apricot. Apricot. I don't know. I usually say apricot. Then we have Czech glass smooth round 8 millimeter, which is these. And these are blue luster. Love that color. Gorgeous. Loving. I think these they have going around those in the picture. And then these are, next they have gemstone rounds. And it's carnelian. 8 millimeter. Very pretty. I wouldn't have thought to pair those two, quite honestly. Excuse me. Potomac crystal teardrops, 6 by 8 millimeter. Now these are drilled from top to bottom. Rose AB, number 36230. Very sparkly and pretty. I'm not going to take them all out of the bags. And the last thing is 1 Czech table cut button. Pretty. I like that with this color. And with the apricot. So yeah, good selection for that. I'll be right back to show you the extras. Okay, so let's see what the extras are this month. It says we should have wavelet beads. That is these. 4 wave trio beads, excuse me. Now, I have gotten these before. I think they might have been in a grab bag though. These are in antique silver, and they actually have 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3. So they'll be fun to use. Okay, nice for a spacer or something. Two strand. And then Czech glass rounds, 3mm in white red luster, very pretty color. Almost makes it look pink. Number 44153 on their website. And they have a new website apparently, guys. They redid their website. I have not been out there since they did, so I can't talk to you about that. And then my Yuki seed beads, 15-aught, and these are in metallic green iris. Those are pretty. 77180. Oh, that says 11. That says 11-0. I don't see any 15-0. These look like 15-0s. I think they're labeled wrong. 4 grams. Anyway, number 77180, metallic green iris, and they're definitely not 11-0. They're 15-0s. Okay, Pi Duo beads. That's these in metallic emerald, so they'll go nice with these. Number 320419, metallic emerald, and they're like slices of pie, which I have seen before as well. I like that color, metallic emerald. It's like a satin finish. I'm sorry for the glare on the bags. 1 pewter charm. It's a strawberry. Oh, that's cute. I love that. And it's double-sided. Oh, I want more of those. 90569 strawberry pewter charm. I don't know if it's Tierra Cast or another brand or anything. 1 glass cabochon. That's pretty. I have gotten one of those before. It says Peach Blossoms, number 211768. I love that, actually. I don't know if you see the flower pattern in it. Well, it focused for a millisecond. I'm going to take it out of the bag. Maybe you'll be able to see it out of the bag. I don't know. Yeah, just didn't like that plastic, did it? Sorry about that. So there you go. That's pretty. And then the last thing is 2 things, sorry. Which one do they have next? This one. Potomac Crystal Faceted Olives. They do look like olives. They're almost like, they're a little longer than what I think of as olives, but they're like a faceted mini barrel bead. It says Potomac Crystal Olives, 3 by 5mm, and they're sort of a gold with a, they're a gold, but they're a hint of green olive on it also. Different color. See the sparkle, the gold sparkle, but you can tell there's some green. Different. And then the last thing is 7 grams of Czech glass faceted round, 6mm, and these are in turquoise swirl. So, and there's one broken. I think, yeah, there's a broken piece in there. Yeah, there it is, right there. I've never seen a Czech bead break. Interesting. Anyway, faceted round, 6mm. Number 60863, turquoise swirl. That's a shame. My favorite, because they're like half opaque and half not. So maybe that's why that bead broke. I don't know. Really pretty. So those are the extras. Very pretty extras this month. I like them. Pretty much all of them. And I'm not as crazy about this color, but I can see lots of uses for it. I've never used the shape before, but you know, there's a first time for everything. And these I'm gonna write on here because these are definitely 15-0. I'd have to check the number again. And the paper says 15-0 Miyuki seed beads. These are not 11-0s, they're 15-0s. Okay, and then this is for the pattern, which is Orange Blossom Necklace, which is really pretty. I actually like it with the different colors and things on it. So we'll be giving that a try at some point. Maybe that'll be my next bead weaving project. I don't know. Alright everyone, that's all I have for right now. Thank you so much for watching. So I have another big haul that was from Fire Mountain that's been sitting here. I just haven't gotten to video it. And I think, though, it's more of a stock up haul, because that's what I tend to do with Fire Mountain. But I think there's some beads in there, and mostly findings, but I believe I have some beads in there too. Let me know if you're interested in that kind of thing. If you want to see those large hauls, even if they're stock up on ear wires, oval jump rings, whatever. I can't even remember what I bought. Or if you only want to see ones that are like bead hauls. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.